In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Shein by code. This quick method takes you straight to the exact item you want, so you don't waste time scrolling or risk choosing the wrong color or style. Start by opening the Shein app on your phone or visit the Shein website in your browser. If you shop across regions, make sure you're on the correct country site so the code matches the catalog in your area. That alone can prevent a lot of dead ends. Next, copy the product code, also known as the item ID. You'll usually find it on a product page under Details, Description, or Specifications. Sometimes it's labeled Item ID, and other times you'll see SKU. The item ID is typically a shorter number, while the SKU can be longer and may include variant information like color or size. If someone shared a code with you in a message or note, just highlight it and copy. You can also find these numbers in your order history or confirmation next to the item you purchased. If you're working from a screenshot, either select the text if your device allows it, or type the code carefully, exactly as shown. With the code copied, tap or click the search bar at the top of Shein, paste the code, and run the search. Keep it clean. No extra spaces, symbols, or words, just the code itself. If you typed it, double-check similar characters, like the number 0 and the letter O. When the product appears, open it to confirm you've got the right one. Look for the item ID or SKU on the page and make sure it matches what you searched. If multiple results show up, choose the listing with the matching thumbnail image or seller branding you expect. Remember, the SKU may point to a specific variant, which is helpful if you want a particular color or size loaded automatically. Once you have the correct item, copy the number for your records. Long press the item ID or SKU on mobile or select and copy on desktop, then save it in your notes or share it with your team or friends. Keeping the code handy makes reordering and coordinating outfits much easier. From here, continue shopping as you normally would. Add the item to your bag, adjust variants if needed, and repeat the same code-based search for any other pieces on your list. If a search doesn't return a result, retry with the alternate label, item ID versus SKU. Remove extra characters, and confirm you're on the right regional site with an up-to-date app. That's the entire process. Open Shein, copy the product code or item ID, paste it into search, verify the item ID or SKU on the product page, copy the number, and keep shopping with confidence.